With Simcenter 3D 2506 Collaborative Simulation, you can now edit part data in your assembly. In this example, we have an assembly FEM simulation of an aeroengine and two components, a high-pressure turbine and a high-pressure compressor. As you can see at the compressor level, we have data for a lot of loads, and we would like to share this data with the assembly simulation to avoid having to manually recreate it. To achieve this, we have to create a simulation interface, which is a way to package all of our loads and boundary condition data. Now we choose Export Simulation Interfaces. We can rename this and select what we want to share with the assembly as shown. Now we have our simulation interface, and you can see its content highlighted. If we return to the assembly simulation and import the interface objects from the compressor, we can choose Imported Simulation Interfaces and pick the component which, as you can see, is highlighted and the simulation interface we just created. Now the loads are in the assembly simulation, and we have this new column link indicating a link status. They are all green, which indicates they are up to date. The imported rotational load shown can be viewed at the assembly simulation level, but until now we could not edit it. With Simcenter 3D 2506, we can edit any of the imported loads using our new option, Unlink. We are now able to edit the load, as it has been made local to the assembly simulation. However, this also means it will not update when changes are made at the part level. If we go to the interface and update it, we will get an additional rotation load imported that is linked to the simulation interface and cannot be edited. Our local rotation load remains editable,